Edwards syndrome. Edwards syndrome, otherwise known as trisomy 18 syndrome, common autosomal chromosomal disorder and the presence of an extra chromosome 18. The syndrome pattern comprises of major and minor anomalies and is increased risk of neonatal and infant mortality. Edwards syndrome is a genetic disorder caused by the presence of all or part of an extra 18th chromosome. It is the second most common autosomal trisomy after Down syndrome that carries to TN. Incidence. It is the second most common autosomal trisomy, occurring in approximately 1 in 7,500 live births. Greater than 95% of conceptions with trisomy 18 are spontaneously aborted in the first trimester. Trisomy 18 is usually lethal. Less than 10% of affected infants survive until their first birthday. Types. There are 3 types are there. First one, regular or full, that is severe. The second one, mosaic, less severe, and the third one is the partial. Then first one, regular or full, that means severe. Every cell in the body has 3 copies of chromosome 18. That is the condition, regular or full. That means the chromosome 18, 3 copies are there in the every cells. 94% of the cases are there. Mosaic or less severe, when some cells have the usual 2 copies and some have 3 copies of chromosome 18. That means a normal level already 2 copies are there, then some having the extra 1 copy, that means a chromosome 18 3 copies. Then extent and severity of the condition will depend on how many cells have the extra copies of chromosome 18. It's having 5%. Then the third one, partial, when there is an extra copy of only a part of chromosome 18. The effect of this may be milder. It's having as a part of chromosome 18. Etiology. The extra chromosome is present because of non-dysfunction. Otherwise, methylene tetrahydrofolate reductase gene, that means MTHFR, or polymorphins in mothers, advancing maternal age, and a small positive association of paternal age. Pathophysiology. Then caused by a genetic abnormality before conception when egg and sperm cells are made. A healthy egg or sperm cells contain 23 individual chromosomes. One to contribute to each of the 23 pairs of chromosomes needed to form a healthy 46 chromosome cells. Sometimes egg and sperm cells are left with 24 or more chromosomes. Joining of these eggs or sperm cells make a trisomy fetus to be formed. Clinical features: small mouth and jaw, small neck, shield chest, wide nipples, flexed big toe, prominent heels, short sternum, despatic ears, prominent occiput, and clenched hands. Weight: cleft lip or cleft palate, low set and malformed ears, flexed overlapping fingers, and severe developmental delays. Kidney malformations, structural defect at the birth, that means ventricular septal defect, arterial septal defect, patent-ductus arteriosus, then intestines protruding outside the body, that means omphalocele, like esophageal atresia, mental retardation, the growth deficiency, feeding difficulties, breathing difficulties. Diagnostic measures: history collection, physical examination, X-ray, echo, karyotyping and ultrasound, Then antenatal diagnosis, the maternal serum analysis. Human chorionic gonadotropin, unconjugated estriol and alpha fetoproteins are significantly lower, and amniocentesis, chronic village sampling, ultrasonography in first trimester screening and second trimester, parental testing, triple screen measurement of alpha fetoprotein AFP levels. It screens the mother's blood for AFP, HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, the so-called pregnancy hormone, and estriol, a type of estrogen. The test is performed between the 15th and 17th week of pregnancy. Then ultrasound is the another commonly used screen test. Then amniocentesis or corneal village sampling, analysis of fetal chromosomal material obtained in this test is necessary to prove that the additional copy of chromosome 18 is present. Performed at 15 to 18 weeks of pregnancy and is the most commonly used test for the prenatal diagnosis of trisomy 18. During the procedure, a thin needle is inserted through a abdominal wall and a small sample of amniotic fluid is taken. Then chorionic village sampling is another type of test that allows the examination of fetal genetic material. It is performed earlier in pregnancy, 10 to 12 weeks after the last menstrual period, and therefore carries the advantage of allowing for an earlier diagnosis. This procedure involves the collection a chorionic village cells sample from the placenta either through the insertion of a needle in the abdominal wall or through a catheter in the vagina. Management. There is a high percentage of fetuses dying during labor and the preterm frequency while dying during labor is 38.5% and preterm frequency is 35%. Approximately 50 to 55% of babies with trisomy 18 live longer than 1 week and 5 to 10% of children survive beyond first year. There is no cure for Edwards syndrome. 90 to 95% of all babies born with it die within a year of birth. The few infants that do survive need special treatment ranging from muscular therapy to nervous system and skeletal corrections for their various handicaps. Then nutritional support, treatment of infection, transfusion for low blood cell counts, medications such as diuretics and digoxin to manage heart failure, health supervision and management, follow-up visits, anticipatory guidance and immunizations.